Hi, my name is Gaby, and the topic of meditation this week is me who feels annoyed when others speak. So, when I look back on my life, I lived very much on guard, always protecting myself from being hurt or rejected. And when I look back specifically at the times when I felt annoyed when others speak, there was actually something deeper going on. So it really wasn't about others, it was about me and this underlying belief that my voice didn't matter, that I didn't matter. Meditation has allowed me to slowly and gently reflect on myself and peel back all these different layers that I didn't even know existed, but that were really weighing down on me. And the more that I reflect, the more that I start to understand myself and start to accept myself. And because I've been able to, little by little, let go of this belief that I don't matter, then situations where people are talking, I just don't get as annoyed as I used to. It doesn't come up as much. Because the more I can accept myself, then the more I have space to really accept and understand others.